Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeMechanic. Today, we're diving deep into a legend, a vehicle synonymous with toughness and reliability. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. For decades, adventurers, families, and organizations working in the world's harshest environments have put their trust in this machine. But what exactly makes the Prado so dependable when the pavement ends? Let's get into it. At the heart of the Prado's legendary status is its body frame construction. Unlike the unibody design of most modern SUVs, the Prado's body is mounted onto a separate, incredibly strong ladder frame chassis. This design is inherently more robust and resistant to the twisting forces you experience on uneven terrain. Think of it like this. The frame absorbs the brutal impacts from rocks and ruts, protecting the cabin and its occupants, and ensuring the vehicle's structural integrity over hundreds of thousands of miles of rough use. It's old-school engineering, and for serious off-roading, it's still the gold standard for durability. Next up, let's talk about the powertrain. Toyota is famous for its understressed engines, and the Prado is a prime example. Whether you're looking at the venerable diesel or petrol options, these engines are not tuned for mind-bending horsepower figures. Instead, they're built for longevity and low-end torque. This focus on torque is crucial for off-roading, giving you the pulling power you need to crawl over obstacles at low speeds without straining the engine. These are powertrains designed to run on questionable fuel in the middle of nowhere and still get you home. Simplicity and over-engineering are key, making them incredibly reliable and relatively easy to work on, which is a massive plus when you're far from a dealership. But a strong frame and a reliable engine are only part of the story. The Prado's suspension system is another critical piece of the puzzle. It features a solid rear axle, a design known for its incredible durability and articulation. Articulation is the suspension's ability to flex, allowing the wheels to stay in contact with the ground on very uneven surfaces. More contact means more traction. While many competitors have moved to fully independent suspension for better on-road comfort, Toyota has stuck with the solid rear axle on the Prado because, for pure off-road toughness and reliability, it's simply superior. Combine this with systems like Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, or KDSS, which can disengage the stabilizer bars for even more wheel travel. And you have a vehicle that is both comfortable on the road and incredibly capable off of it. Of course, we have to talk about the electronics. While some purists might prefer older, purely mechanical systems, Toyota has integrated its technology in a way that enhances reliability rather than compromising it. Features like crawl control and multi-tour rain select take the guesswork out of difficult situations. Crawl control acts like an off-road cruise control, managing the throttle and brakes at a very low speed, so you can focus entirely on steering through a tricky rock garden or a steep descent. Multi-terrain select allows you to tell the vehicle what kind of surface you're on, like mud, sand, or rock sand. It adjusts the traction control and throttle response accordingly. These aren't just gimmicks. They are well-tested systems that make off-roading safer and more accessible, leveraging technology to enhance the Prado's inherent mechanical grip. So, when you put it all together, the bomb-proof body-on-frame construction, the torque-rich and understressed engine, the durable solid axle suspension, and the smart, reliable electronic aids, you get the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It's a vehicle engineered from the ground up with a single-minded focus on getting you to your destination and back, no matter what lies in between. It's not the fastest or the flashiest SUV on the market, but when it comes to sheer, uncompromising reliability where it matters most, the Prado is in a class of its own. That's why it's earned its reputation as a true off-road legend. What are your experiences with the Prado? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CodeMechanic for more deep dives. We'll see you in the next one.